Tired of watching your portfolio ride the tech stock roller coaster? One day you're up, the next you're down, and it feels like you're just one tweet away from a market meltdown. What if there was a way to build a shield around your investments? A yield shield, if you will. Today, we are talking about AllianceBernstein, ticker symbol AB, and why it might be the stability your portfolio is craving. Let's start with a simple idea. When high-flying growth stocks take a nosedive, high-dividend stocks can act as a cushion. That income helps offset the losses, keeping your overall portfolio from crashing. This isn't just a theory, it's a strategy that big money is already looking at. Many institutional investors are planning a defensive rotation in their portfolios, gearing up for what they see coming around 2026. And where are they looking? To established players like AllianceBernstein. Why AB? Well, they're a giant in the asset management world, overseeing more than $700 billion in assets. Their business model is straightforward. They manage money for clients, and they get paid for it. A significant chunk of that revenue is then passed on to shareholders as distributions. This creates that powerful dividend yield, which has recently hovered around a very attractive 8%. Imagine earning 8% on your investment, just in dividends, while you wait for the market to figure itself out. That's the power of the yield shield. But let's do a reality check. That juicy yield isn't set in stone. It's variable. AllianceBernstein is structured as a limited partnership, or LP. This means instead of a fixed dividend, they pay out distributions based on their earnings. Their earnings come from fees on the assets they manage, or AUM. So, if the market goes down, their AUM might shrink, and so will the fees they collect. This, in turn, can lower the distribution you receive. It's important to understand this relationship. The yield is a reflection of recent performance, not a future guarantee. When their AUM goes up, your payout goes up. When it goes down, so does your payout. It's a direct link to the company's health. So, is this just a boring, old-school company that pays a dividend? Not at all. AB is actively building its growth engine for the future. They are making serious moves into some of the hottest areas in finance. First, private credit. This is a massive, multi-trillion-dollar market that's booming as traditional banks pull back on lending. AB is strategically expanding its presence here, which could become a huge source of future revenue. Next up, active ETFs. Investors love the low cost and convenience of ETFs, and there's a growing demand for actively managed ones that aim to beat the market, not just track it. AB is rolling out a suite of active ETFs, capturing this wave of investor interest. And finally, let's talk about AI. AB isn't just talking about artificial intelligence, they're implementing it. They have a proprietary AI platform called Abby and data science tools like ALFA that are revolutionizing how they research and manage investments. They're using AI to analyze millions of data points, identify risks, and uncover opportunities that human analysts might miss. This isn't just about cutting costs, it's about gaining a competitive edge and delivering better returns for their clients, which ultimately fuels our distributions. So, let's bring it all together. What is AllianceBernstein? It's not a flashy tech stock that's going to double overnight. It's a strategic defense for your portfolio. You get a substantial dividend yield that acts as a shield against market volatility. You're investing in a company with a proven business model managing over $700 billion. And you're getting exposure to future growth engines like private credit, active ETFs, and cutting-edge AI integration. As we look ahead to 2026 and beyond, with all the economic uncertainty, adding a player like AB to your team could be a very smart move. It's about balancing growth with stability and income. It's about playing both offense and defense. If you're looking for a way to fortify your portfolio for the years to come, AllianceBernstein is definitely a name worth researching. Thanks so much for watching. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more deep dives into smart investment ideas. See you in the next one.